and it's going to be goodbye to the Samsung VR that I've had for 3 years. Cost me £90 on Amazon, and I've just looked. The current selling price is, guess what, £150 for the same thing. Whoa, this is a great 360 VR starter. Can't get much cheaper than £90 with a Samsung Gear VR headset. Anyway, I'm replacing this today with a Vuze VR that costs currently about £335 on Amazon. So a big jump, literally a big jump. This one is 3840 by 1920 pixels on 360. This one is 5760 by 2880. That is more than double the resolution. So it's going to be a huge difference in effect, you know, in resolution in 360. Plus this does 3D. Now, I don't know what the quality will be in 3D, because it'll be half the resolution, won't it? I don't know, because anyway, we're going to see. I don't know. I'm expecting it to be good. We're going to find out. But first, let's unbox it. Look, it's sealed. And that noise you're hearing in the background, that's the budgies. I'll show you the budgies in a bit. Waking up. And let's unseal it and let's see what we get in the box. Okay, got a seal there. Should just slide. There we go. Let's see what we've got. Whoa, a box. Out of the way. We've got a box. How bright it is. Let's turn up the brightness a little bit. Don't worry, buddies, you're going to be on loads of these videos. Yeah, let's open the box. We'll start at the top. Does it slide open? Yeah, that's it. Here we go. First look at a Vuze VR. No case. Doesn't come with any case. Yeah. First impressions are it's heavy. And it's got a sort of a stand. Let's put it there. Let's see what else is in the box. Quick start guide, warranty, USB cable, strap. And what's this? Is this a case? It's like a little pouch for it. That's good. So it's got a little plastic cover on the lenses. Got a little plastic over the handle. It's got a little on-off button there. It's got a button there. And it's got a USB. Well, that's where you charge it from and put the memory card in. It's got one button there, another button there, and a button on the front. And that's the unboxing of a Vuze XR. Obviously I'm going to be using it and we'll give it a shot, see what the first use is like. Let's take these little lenses. Supposedly they easily scratch, you have to be careful. Yeah, I can see a little microphone. Got one microphone there, another one there, so two microphones, one per lens. So sound quality should be better than this, although this has got two microphones as well. So currently it's in 360 mode, and we compare the two. It's a lot thinner, so it should be much better in terms of stitching. You know, when you do a 360 with this one, there's a little area where things can disappear because it's thick, because of the thickness, the difference between the lenses. So this should have a smaller area. Another tape there. Okay, I think this button is just what flips it into two. Let's have a look. No? What button is it? This one. Ooh! Did you see that? So that button there. at the top. Makes the lenses flick into 360, into 3D mode 180. So you push them. Oh, that is cool. And they click. And again to go into 180. And then you can hold it like this. So your hand's not visible and you're shooting in 180. That's the main thing I got it for. 360 is fine. It's okay, but the resolution is low. The resolution on this is more than double. Like I say, it's about 2.25 times that one. So it should make a huge difference. For 360, I've got no idea what to expect in terms of 180. So I've got no experience what these cameras can deliver in 180. But first impressions are it's quite weighty. It weighs more than this, weighs more than this with this stand. Whatever difference that makes. It's got no display obviously. It's got a button there. I think that's to turn it on. I don't know what that button does. It's got a button here. I don't know what that button does. I think this is going to impress me with the 3D and 360, especially after using a VR. Like I said, the main difference I've noticed is that the difference in between lenses. That's important for stitching. So whenever a thing moves here, obviously the further away you are, there's less of an issue. But the closer you are, you move and then you would virtually just disappear. Whereas this one, you know, there's less of an issue. So let's put it into the pouch and then we'll use it for the first time and see what quality of the video is. 360 and importantly 180. There's the pouch. It's quite thick pouch. I should protect it. Like I was using this is the one that comes with the VR 360 with the Samsung gear, and that's pretty good as well. And they're both quite paddy, both similar in padding, which you need to protect the lens. So let's slide it in, and that's the unboxing of a Vuze XR, my first upgrade in VR 360 in 3 years. And this is a good beginner camera. Obviously the prices have gone up. 150 that looked, and I've seen it even higher. But you can buy this for 150 on Amazon. I don't know what second hand, but then you got a problem. You're going to buy one with a scratched lens. This lens are not scratched. I've not had to buy any fancy covers. All I've done is kept it in this bag that it comes with, Samsung bag, and it's kept it safe. So hopefully will be the same for this one. Just make sure to protect the lens. That's the main thing. I'll read the instructions now. Charge it and then give it a whirl. Like I got pretty expert at you. I don't use it that much, the Samsung gear. Just the resolution's not that good. I'll keep this in the box. Take it that one. And I've shot some good videos in this. I'm not, although hardly uploaded anything to YouTube. But there are a few. Most recent one was of the budgies, which I'll show you. Given that they're making a racket. Yeah, waking up. As soon as I come, they're going silent. You want to come out? Yeah, let's come and say hello to everyone.